Well, the work with video surveillance or video security system, as it's called today, is going extremely well. We're just in the process of adopting the H.265 in a brand new profile, which is making ONVIF a little bit more resilient to choice of decoders, etc. So that's going very well, and it's very well received in the market. And I would say that a majority of all the cameras that are sold today are ONVIF conformant.
Are all major video surveillance manufacturers working with open standards today?
When it comes for video management systems that ONVIF is engaged in, I would say yes, definitely.
Is there any particular product area where it is harder to make manufacturers to support open standards?
Well, we're meeting a little bit of difficulties in the access control industry for various reasons, I say. It's slightly different from the video side. The channel looks a bit different, but I think also the industry is more used to a more proprietary scenario. But we can see signs that the end users and the installers and integrators, they're starting to embrace this. And from the ONVIF membership list, you can see that the majority of the major access control companies are already members, so they are prepared for the shift.
Do you think that access control will ever be as open as video surveillance?
Definitely. That is in the vision of ONVIF. We believe that all security systems will share one interface, so that's definitely so.
And how long do you think that's going to take?
That's very hard to predict. The only comparison we can make is from the video industry, but as I said before, there are some differences. They don't look exactly the same, so it's hard to say. But it will happen.
What about alarms and fire alarms?
That is, of course, a very interesting area. And as I said, the vision of ONVIF is that eventually that will be part of it. There were some discussions a few years, but ONVIF is, how shall I say, governed by the members or the initiative by the members. And so far, we have not seen that initiative from enough number of members to start any activities in that area.
Home automation and smart buildings, how do they harmonize with ONVIF standards?
At the moment, not at all, I would say, but in smart building and home automation, you tend to use sort of off-the-shelf security devices, and of course, most of them are ONVIF conformant today. But the home automation industry is more silo approach yet, I would say. So perhaps in the future, when they can see the value of sort of interconnectivity outside the silo, we will play a more important role.
Would you say that there is a need for more cybersecurity standards?
Well, there are tons of them. I don't think there is a need for more standards. I think there is need for a better knowledge how to deploy them. There are sufficient technologies to sort of hold back the threats as we know them today. But that industry dark side is always evolving, and so does the standards of cybersecurity. I think the crucial part is to know about it and to understand how it affects you and do your risk analysis in a proper way, etc. So I think we're good on the standard side there.
What is next for ONVIF?
Well, right now we're pursuing what we have with the H.265 and those modernization on the Profile S, and we're still looking at the access control. We have started to explore systems-to-system communication because we see that PSIM is taking a more and more important role in our type of applications. So this is something we're looking at and see what we can offer the market.